What's good, people? Welcome back to Soul Nectar Studios. I hope you're good. Today I'm just going to show you very quickly how you can remove the vocals and make any track an instrumental. So I'm just going to pull up the track that I'm going to use right now. It's by an artist called Footsie from the UK, and it's called No Favors. This is just from my iTunes library. Buy the music, people, support the artists. So you can see my Logic project is just an empty one. Let's just make sure the track runs.
I don't need it. Thanks for the offer, it's cool, I'll leave it.
So you can hear it's a grime track. I already know this track is 140 beats per minute, so I'm just going to change my project to 140. Then we simply right click on the track. The first option is stem splitter, and then you got 4 options: other, which is synths and kind of background atmospheric sounds, your leads. You got bass, which is obvious. You got your drums and your vocals. I want all of it, so I'm going to split it into 4, and it takes a few seconds to analyze the tracks and split them for me. And now I've got 4 stems in a collapsible folder that I can work with.
Thanks for the offer, it's cool, I'll leave it.
And I want to take away the vocals, so I'm just going to mute it. And then it's ready for me to remix, for me to re-vocal, do whatever I want with. Or I could take away all the instruments and just have the acapella if I want to slap that on one of my own beats.
Yeah, greasy. I know haters pray for my downfall with my dismay, but
Easy peasy. Alright, people, if you like the video, definitely like, share, subscribe, comment below, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.